Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm going to let you know how you can delete your Bybit account. So in order to delete your Bybit account, you just have to follow these steps. So first of all, what you have to do is you need to go and log in into your Bybit account. When you're logged in, that's going to take you to the home page, and this is how it's going to look like. Right on this page, you could go to your profile section from the top left hand side corner, and on this page you have to go ahead and select security. While you're on this page, you can scroll down to the bottom, go to account settings, and over here you can see that deactivating account. So go ahead and press that. So directly there is no such thing as deleting your Bybit account, so you have to deactivate your account for a certain days, and after that your account will be permanently deleted. So in that way you can delete your Bybit account. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.